At the end of the fourth round, St. James Seminary and Senior High School has 31 points. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary has 43 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 50 points. Round 5. I would like to remind you of the Goal Super Bonanza. If you solve all 4 riddles, 2,000 Ghana cedis. If you solve 3 out of the 4, 1,600 Ghana cedis. If you solve 2 out of the 4, you get 1,000 Ghana cedis. And if you solve even a single riddle, you get 500 Ghana cedis. So I hope you'll be working hard towards solving these riddles, right? Right? Okay, good. The Goal Super Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goal Good Energy. All right, so obviously in this round we are going to be solving riddles. I will be reading out the clues. When you are ready to solve a riddle, kindly ring your bell. May I hear your bell, Presbyterian boys? Thank you. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. If you solve it on the third or any clue thereafter, 3 points. Please, when you ring, that answer must be ready. I will not wait. Best wishes to all of you. First riddle. I am a physical quantity encountered in the study of mechanics. I am a component of a vector quantity. I am responsible for speed changes. I am the component of acceleration perpendicular to its centripetal component. Yes.
Tangential acceleration.
Yes. That was the 4th clue, 3 points. And that's a very good reminder of our problem of the day, isn't it? Where acceleration is a vector quantity. Okay. Next riddle. I am a product of a reaction. I am commonly formed from ions in aqueous solution. I am not part of a solution. However, I am formed from the solution. Yes, Noble?
Precipitate.
You're right. That was the 4th clue, 3 points. Next one. We are a pair of angles. We are found between 2 parallel lines and the transversal. Yes, Edmond.
Alternate angles.
No. Who else rang?
Co-interior angles.
Pardon?
Co-interior angles.
No. For you. Please, I'm continuing. We are not congruent. We are opposite each other. We are supplementary. There is something interior about us. So who are we? Yes, Noble?
Opposite interior angles.
Okay. Last riddle. the hard structures found exclusively in vertebrates. Granted, some invertebrates have analogous types.
I have skeleton.
No. I continue. They are quite different in their structure and function. When humans lose us once, we come back stronger. Yes, Jude.
The coccyx. Coccyx.
No. Did you ring? Okay, so we continue. When they lose us twice, we will be gone forever. We function to mechanically break down foods by cutting and crushing them in preparation for swallowing. We are classified as incisors, canines, premolars, also called bicuspids, and molars. So who are we?
Teeth.
Yes, teeth. And that's the end of the fifth round. And please join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. All right, so now at the end of the contest, here are the final scores. St. James Seminary Senior High School has 31 points. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary has 46 points. Presbyterian Boys Secondary School has 59 points.